What's up, ladies and gents? How you doing?
Hello, everyone.
We're just here, pause at the side of the street, gonna get drink and some food, and check that out. See you in a bit. So yeah, guys, you have Chinese, you have Japanese, you have French, you have all kinds of cuisine. But in Indonesia, this place is carrying the swing. Trust me. Let me show you what we got on the menu today. Oh yes. Oh yes, it's like a buffet style food, right? Oh, but let me show you the ride that we've got as well. May as well, yeah? Yeah. This type of food you can get here. Ma'am? Order, yeah.
Yes.
My baby sorted out now. Sorry for what pause.
One satay? One satay? What, satay soup?
Yeah, let me get... No. Yeah, satay.
2 satay.
Satay ayam, kwetu.
One kwetu.
Ayam penyat.
Ayam penyat? Spicy. Extra spicy.
That's what you should be having. No, yours ain't gonna be spicy.
Is mine not spicy?
She wants spicy.
Okay.
So give her penyat as well, please. You know the sauce? With the red sauce.
Okay. Perfect.
Blow off the head. Come on. So yeah, guys, when you're in Indonesia, you don't need to go anywhere else. I mean, you can. We did restaurants, we did all that kind of stuff. But this place we know is gonna suffice us. Oh my gosh. Fish cake as well, no?
Omelette.
Omelette? What's this one? Potato. Just so you know what we're talking about, guys. Satay ayam. Look at that. You want that, Sam? Boom.
Yes. On it.
We're gonna have some of that with some of that. And with some of that. Yeah?
2 satay. And what did you want?
Ayam penyat.
Ayam penyat, 1.
Yeah.
But that's chicken.
Yeah?
What, chicken and satay?
Yeah.
Okay, and what noodles do you want?
Kwetu.
Which one? Kwetu. So you want the same?
Yes.
This is also
takeaway.
Yes?
Takeaway on?
Yes.
Oh, but I won't put that one then. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
And we're gonna get some sour sap juice with that as well. You know there's no joking when we're coming down there, man. It's all good. Some snacks and stuff you take is good. This is it, baby.
One
Chicken. Penyat.
ayam penyat.
What?
So you see, so the work that goes behind there, guys, is worth it. Look at that. When this comes out, we're gonna get excited, I'm telling you. Yeah, put some of the sauce on, baby. Line it up. Aye, aye. Satay looking good. Aye. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, to see what we got while we was at the store. So here we go. There was the noodles. Very nice. The satay. Very nice. A quarter chicken with a bit of hot sauce. That sauce there. Whoo! Blow off your socks. And our sour sap juice. Oh yes. So we're gonna just sit down here now and eat some dinner at home. Catch you later. Once again, thank you so much for joining us on this journey. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, we'll be here next week, the same time, the same place. So until then, take care. The Boss Couple 22, We out. See ya.